In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy hosting from Hostinger. Whether you're launching your very first website or moving an existing one to a new provider, Hostinger makes the process simple, and I'll guide you through each step so you can get started with confidence. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. The homepage is designed to be easy to navigate, giving you a clear overview of the services they offer and helping you quickly find what you need. Take a moment to look around so you're familiar with where everything is located. Once you feel comfortable, go ahead and click the login button located in the upper right corner of the page. If you already have a Hostinger account, simply enter your email and password. If you're new to Hostinger, you can create an account in just a few moments by following the on-screen steps. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. This is where you manage all your hosting services, domains, and website tools. From here, your next step is to open the marketplace. The marketplace is Hostinger's hub for all available products, including their different hosting plans. Once inside the marketplace, look for the hosting category and click on it. Hostinger provides several types of hosting services, each designed for different needs. For most users, especially beginners, the best place to start is with web hosting. Selecting web hosting will display all available plans ranging from simple options ideal for small personal sites to more advanced plans suitable for larger projects. Next, click the Explore button. This opens detailed information about each hosting plan. You'll be able to compare features like storage, monthly traffic, performance tools, and included extras. It's important to take your time here because choosing the right plan ensures your website runs smoothly and has room to grow as your audience increases. After reviewing the plans, select the one that matches your goals and budget. Once selected, Hostinger will guide you through checkout, where you can choose your billing cycle and add any extra services you may want, such as domain privacy or backups. When you're ready, complete the purchase and your hosting will be active immediately. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to buy Hostinger hosting, and you are now ready to begin building or migrating your website. If you ever need help, Hostinger's support team can walk you through any questions that come up during setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel confident as you take the next step in bringing your website online. Happy hosting!